American Samoa, an island in the South Pacific home to one of the 13 national marine sanctuaries.
The National Marine Sanctuary of American Samoa is located in the cradle of Polynesians' oldest culture and is thought to support the greatest diversity of marine life in the National Marine Sanctuary system.
The National Marine Sanctuary of American Samoa protects over 13,000 square miles of coral reefs and open oceans. Last year, our team composed of 13 students and 2 teachers traveled there to conduct research and teach a student ROV workshop with the National Marine Sanctuary.
Protecting these resources is why we travel to American Samoa.
Joining hands to protect today and the future of tomorrow.
That's one of the things that makes the Office of National Marine Sanctuaries unique, is that we have partnerships like this all over, but I think right now we only have a few select nodes where we're doing this type of partnership with MATE or with others to do these ROV symposiums, and it was really amazing. I'm used to seeing the student side of it and seeing how they react and seeing, like many of you, where you're going to take that in your professional lives later on, but this was the first time that I had the opportunity to see the teachers be just as involved and engaged in figuring out how they were going to take it to the classrooms and to spread it even further.
Oh my gosh!
I think their enthusiasm for the subject and actually their enthusiasm just for learning. A lot of the things we did were hard. Learning how about electronics, soldering, putting together an underwater robot. A lot of those things are challenging because not everything goes right. There's lots of troubleshooting. But when things are hard, that's many times when you learn the most.
People. So people asking me this all the time, and obviously the mission of the Office of National Marine Sanctuaries is amazing. I mean, we have the privilege to protect more than 600,000 square miles of the oceans and Great Lakes, but it's the people in our program that make it really phenomenal.
The Stockbridge InvenTeam's expedition to the National Marine Sanctuary of American Samoa provided students with an important original research project designed to inspire, engage, and educate. The expedition involved over 400 students enrolled in Stockbridge Community Schools, as well as students in American Samoa. In addition to developing 21st century STEM skills, the project promoted awareness of the National Marine Sanctuary System, the National Marine Sanctuary of American Samoa, and an appreciation for this special place in Polynesia for present and future generations.
When I first joined the team 2 years ago, I had no idea that what we'd be doing would not only have such a big impact on my life, but such a big impact on other people's lives as well.
Not only did this trip show me how much of an impact I can have on other people's lives, but it also showed me how much of the ocean is unknown and how much we can learn about it.
The Joining Hands project actually should be more than just joining hands. It should be about joining forces right now, because you bring a very important force that hopefully helps our locals create and lead. So that's the effort, is really to make sure that our teachers, programs such as ourselves, gain from what we learn from all of you and build on that.
As a teacher, I'm often asked why I take my students to remote locations such as Palau and American Samoa, to work on the reefs, to test equipment, and to work with schools and students in those locations. My response is, if not us, then who will?